Brush the front and brush the back. Brush those teeth and stay on track. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush those teeth and stay on track. Don't forget your tongue today. Give it a scrub and rinse away. Tiny circles, gentle too. Healthy habits just for you. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Healthy habits just for you. Twice a day is all you need to keep your teeth strong and clean. Morning fresh and bedtime bright. Your smile will shine like morning light. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Your smile will shine like morning light. Brush your teeth up and down. Brush your teeth round and round. Brush your teeth from left to right. Brush your teeth in the morning and night. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush your teeth in the morning and night.
Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.
Yay!